Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I thought we'd do a bit of an update on my B5 2001 Audi A4. Since the last video when I first got this car back and raised the suspension a little bit, to be honest I didn't really do much with it, just used it every day, had it MOT, you know, did all the bits it needed to do. And then yeah, late last year it had a bit of a traumatic ending. It got hit in a car park and the insurance company wrote it off. But I mean, I've not actually had the damage repaired, because all it was it got hit here, it's cracked some filler in the paint there from where it's had a previous repair. I pulled the wing out a little bit. No, headlight was all good, just polished that up, and the paint on there is damaged, so pretty unscathed really, and I could fix it but I haven't yet. So got paid out for it, bought it back because it's a weapon, why would you get rid of it, and actually spent the money on fixing a load of problems with it, one of which was the turbo was absolutely knackered. So we got a new Chinese special, pair of new drive shafts and just rear brakes, just kind of went through it, made it all mechanically sound, which has been good. Didn't record any of it because yeah, don't know, but anyway, and then recently all I've done to it is the CV gaiters on those drive shafts have already split, so I did them and noticed that the brake was dragging on one side. So today's project is one new caliper, which as you can see has been kicking around in my boot for a while, but also noticed the brake fluid reservoir was perishing, so we've got a new one of those. So we're going to get that all done now. Managed to pick myself up a ultra low entry jack, which should make working on this thing and the Chevelle a little bit easier, because I'm going to mess around with ramps and stuff just to get the jack under. Don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's got like a crack forming around there, so before that goes we're going to change that. And since we've got to bleed the brakes anyway, I thought let's drain that out of fluid first, change that over, then we shouldn't get any dripping when we change the caliper, fill it all back up, bleed it through. Got most of the fluid out, so I just need to disconnect the sensor. The clutch uses the same reservoir, so there's a pipe there, just need to get off, and then the actual reservoir, it might put up a bit of a fight, but it's just popped into those rubber seals. Let's get a screwdriver. Yeah, so pop the clutch hydraulic feed pipe off, hopefully. There we go. Still a bit of fluid. I'm assuming not all of them use this, so it's sealed off on here, so we'll just cut that off so we can use that. And then we can reinstall that, ready to do the caliper. Just give that a clean out, make sure there's no bits left in there. Use a bit of the brake fluid to lubricate them. And it should pop in like so. There we go. Now I'm not going to fill that up until we've done the caliper, but let's get some water and rinse this brake fluid off. wheel looks okay. Ah, maybe it's this black one. Crusty. Relatively simple caliper to change. Got to pop the spring clip off there, undo the, well, we'll clamp off the hose, undo the pipe going into it, 2 7mm Allen keys and sliders, and there's a bracket there. What's that? Yeah, that bolt there, to take that bracket off, and then we'll have to fight it off there because where it's seized up. Pretty lucky that this union isn't seized on here, the age-old thing. Normally the nut likes to seize on the pipe and then you end up twisting the pipe off and making a new brake line. Let's get a stronger lever. Whilst they're out, let's give them a clean up and re-grease before putting it all back together. I just changed these brakes because they are terrible. They're whatever Euro's cheapest brand is, and they never wear out, but they don't really stop you very well either. But we're on a budget, so just clean it up, put it back as best we can. I did put these on when I didn't own it. My friend owned the car at the time, had no money, so I got him the cheapest I could. And here I am now paying the consequences for that. Right, the other thing to make sure of is that these are nice and clean, because this is what the caliper actually moves up and down on. So if these are dirty or got rubbish on them, that can cause you an issue. These are relatively clean where I cleaned them up last time I did the brakes. And then with the new caliper you get grease to go with them. Give them a little tickle. Perfect. The best thing actually is to put on your little impact gun, hold the Scotch-Brite on there and just whiz them, but they're not that bad. Shiny new caliper. grease for the sliders. The way I always do these springs is hook him in there, hook him in the bottom, make sure that's up there, and use a screwdriver to lever that round to there, and send it home. Done. Now all we've got left to do is refill the reservoir, and then we've got to bleed it. Luckily, well, not luckily, I haven't got a pressure bleeder here, but the wife works from home, so let's see if we can go and convince her to come give us a hand. Pump pedal. Down the next one. Huh? Down on the next one. And then pump it up until the pedal goes hard.
Till it goes hard, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go.
And then press it again, hold it on.
There you go.
Yeah, keep holding it and make sure I haven't got any leaks. Cool, all good. Simple as that, all done. Nice shiny new caliper that works. And I can actually turn the disc now, whereas before it was jam solid. So bang the wheel back on, some happy motoring. There we have it, all fixed. Good to hit the road again. So yeah, hopefully only a little quick video and a bit of an update on the old girl. Hopefully if you enjoyed it, give us a like, let us know in the comments below, and maybe we'll do some more content with it. But yeah, give us a like, give us a subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.